aging cellar, our expert...
Ensuring the milk is at the perfect temperature is crucial for the pasteurization process. We check every batch.
We carefully swirl each batch to check for consistency and purity, ensuring only the finest milk makes it to the next stage. Here in the lab, every batch of milk is tested for quality. The pH level must be exact for the cheese-making process to begin.
Here the raw milk is separated. The heavier cream takes a different path than the skim milk, ensuring perfect consistency for our cheesemakers.
After collection, the milk is carefully transported through sterile pipes to ensure maximum freshness.
We carefully combine the fresh skim milk and the rich golden cream, ensuring the perfect consistency for our artisanal cheese.
Here the milk is quickly heated to 72 degrees Celsius for pasteurization, ensuring safety while preserving flavor.
The milk must be rapidly cooled from 95 degrees Celsius down to 32 degrees.
Here, the cooled milk is carefully poured into large stainless steel vats, ready for the next step.
Here, the fresh milk enters the large vats, where mechanical paddles gently begin the coagulation process.
To ensure the perfect texture, we introduce the starter culture, which begins the transformation from milk to cheese.
The cheesemaker activates the agitator, gently folding the starter culture into the fresh milk inside the large vat.
After the milk has coagulated, the cheesemaker carefully cuts the curd, ensuring an even distribution for optimal moisture release.
Once cut, the curds are gently compressed by the automated press, separating the remaining whey.
The cheesemaker manually stirs the curds and whey, using a specialized fork to break up larger clumps and prepare the cheese for the next stage.
In these pristine stainless steel vats, the curds are carefully agitated, a crucial step in our artisanal process.
The cheesemaker adjusts the temperature precisely, ensuring the milk is warmed from 10 to 15 degrees Celsius.
Once drained, the cheesemaker carefully rinses the curds, preparing them for the next stage of maturation in the cellar.
Inside the mixer, the fresh curds are delicately tumbled with coarse sea salt, a crucial step for flavor and preservation.
Next, the salted curds travel up the chute and into the finishing bins, a crucial step in our modern yet traditional process.
After the milk has sufficiently coagulated, the resulting curds are carefully separated from the whey and moved to the next stage.
The precision is key here. As the bin fills, the digital scale rapidly counts up, settling exactly at 1,501 grams.
The salted curds are carefully placed into molds lined with cheesecloth, a crucial step before the pressing begins. The cheesemaker meticulously folds the cloth, a crucial step before the wheels are pressed and aged in the cellar. As the pressure increases, the remaining whey is forced out, a crucial step for the texture and quality of the final cheese.
This meticulous process ensures the perfect rind development over the next several months.
Using precise robotics, we ensure every wheel is perfectly brined in our sterile tanks.
Once fully brined, the robotic system gently transfers the cheese wheels, ensuring quality control before the aging process. After brining, the cheese rounds are thoroughly rinsed to remove excess salt before aging.
In the drying room, temperature and humidity are carefully controlled by industrial fans, ensuring the perfect aging conditions.
The cheese is now moved to the drying room, where careful humidity control ensures the perfect rind development.
Here in the aging cellar, the affineur inspects the cheese. She checks the firmness and extracts a sample to guarantee the highest quality.
Once formed, the cheese wheels are carefully moved to the aging cellar, where they will rest on spruce shelves for several months.
This ancient technique, combined with modern hygiene, gives our cheese its unique flavor.
The affineur carefully brushes away unwanted mold, ensuring proper aeration and allowing the cheese to
We carefully turn and monitor each wheel, sometimes for years, until the flavor reaches its peak.
After brining, the cheese wheels are transferred to our state-of-the-art aging facility, where
In the packaging room, the large blocks are meticulously wrapped to ensure freshness and flavor.